Hello viewers, good morning. This is question number 19A of paper 0580/21/May-June 2023. The question reads, on the diagram, this diagram is made for you on the question paper, but I have made it separately on the graph paper. Sketch the graph of y is equal to cos x for 0 degree is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 360 degree. In order to sketch that graph, we have to know the values of the cos of x for 0 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. I have made a table for you. Cos of 0 is +1, cos of 180 is -1 and cos of 360 is again +1. So first of all, we will have to plot the points, these points on this diagram to sketch the graph. So I am going to go for 0 degree and +1 on the y-axis. Here is +1 and 0, so I can circle this point. Similarly, cos of x at -1, cos of x is equal to -1 at 180 degrees. So this is -1, this is 180 degrees. I circle this point, plot this point and circle it. And cos of 360 is +1, so I go to 360 degrees and go to +1 here, plot the point and circle it. This is how you make a graph. Now you have to make a very smooth curve for this. What I would like to do is that I go for a 90 degree and a 270 degree to have a proper graph. So I will know that where the graph is going to cut the x-axis. So if I add 90 degree here and 270 degree here, my graph will be much better. So cos of 90 degree and cos of 270 degree I'll have to calculate and write the values, which is 0 and 0. So I write down 0 here and 0 here. So I know that my graph is going to start from here and come here and like this. And it is a curve. Cos graph is a curve graph, so we have to make a smooth curve. So I have to try and I have to make the curve. So I will do it with a pencil first, rough work, maybe. Okay, sketch it. It is a sketch, so we can make it a sketch. Like this. Here, this is the sketch, and you get the mark for sketching this graph. If you are new in this sketching the graph business, then you have to do it first of all with the pencil, rub it off if there is a wrong graph, and then do it again and just do it. And the graphs are done by a pencil, by the way. So I have done it so that it is clearly shown to you. Otherwise you could go for a simple pencil method. Okay, now when we have done this, next is part B of this question, and in part B the question is asking to solve the equation 5 cos x plus 3 equal to 0, and it has 3 marks, and the value range given of the angle is 0 is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 360 degrees. Now we write down the question again, equation, then we make 5 cos x subject of the formula, so plus 3 goes on the other side and gets minus sign, and divide both sides with 5. 5 is gone here, we are left with cos x is equal to minus 3 over 5. Make x the subject. We are having cos inverse bracket minus 3 over 5 to be solved by the calculator, which gives us a value of 126.9 degrees. And our range is 360 degrees, so we subtract 126.9 from 360 degrees, get to 33.1 degrees. So the solution of this equation is that x could be 126.9 degree and 233.1 degree. When you do this, you got 3 out of 3 marks. My explanation, and then kindly give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for my channel. Thank you very much.